Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this awesome product from a company called Kraftek. This is the Kraftek Portable, Rechargeable, completely cordless pull vacuum cleaner. You can see it has this large canister here, has a net inside to trap debris. On the bottom you've got these rollers and these brushes, and this is pulling in about 16 gallons of water per minute, so it's really sucking up well and helps pick up debris, dirt, leaves, insects, all the stuff that you don't want in your pool. This will help get it out of your pool. If you have a small above ground pool, this may be the only thing you need to keep it clean. If you have a larger in-ground pool like I have, then maybe you use the pool robot once a week to clean, but what do you do in between that? You know, kids are running through the yard, jumping in the pool, you get a little bit of sand here, debris here. This is excellent for spot cleaning because you can grab this, you can put it exactly where that debris is and suck it up and get it out of your pool. And that's what's great about this. Charge it for about an hour and a half, gives you about 60 minutes of run time, so it'll be there ready for you when you need it. Stores without taking up a lot of space. You can just sit this in your garage or shed, and then when you need it, you grab it, you go, and you clean. You've got this nice short handle for shallow spots, or if you're doing like steps, you just need to clean your steps or a shelf or something. But then it does come with a extendable long handle as well, so you can throw that on there if you need to get further. And this is a standard pole holder on the end here, so you can connect any of the poles that you have for any of your devices. You can connect to this to get wherever you need to go. It's really easy to use. You just turn it on with a switch right here. While it's in the water, underwater, let it prime and fill with water. Once it fills with water, it's good to go. And then you just guide this to where that debris is. It will suck that debris up. Again, you've got the brushes to help scrub a little bit as well. Make sure it's getting the debris that's around there. It'll suck it up. It'll trap it into the filter net inside of here, and you've got two different filter nets. You've got one that's more for like leaves and larger things, and then a ultra fine filter net that'll help trap sand or dirt or things like that. And let's face it, if you have kids, you know, they're running through the yard, they're tracking leaves or dirt into the pool all the time, and you can just grab this and easily get that debris out of your pool. Really, really excellent product by Kraftek. If you're looking for something to just, you know, clean your pool, you don't want to have to connect a bunch of hoses to your filter system or any of that. You want something that's simple and easy, then this product by Kraftek is definitely the way to go. You don't have to worry about any of that. Very easy to use, very efficient, really helps keep your pool clean, great for the spot cleaning and great for the grab and go function of this. Definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.